We shall be grateful.
Weche mag siasa motenre kod agenda mar tutam ne wuoke iko mar mosendo japuonj James Wetangula mabende en wadgi speaker mar od bura Moses Wetangula e gwenge mag Tuti e kaunti ma Bungoma. Josiasa duto mano oyudo thuolo mar bilo wach gi ji no ko kanyakla mar oganda mar Mulembe kaka yorno mar geno tenda piny Kenya e kinde mabiro. Moses Wetangula ne okwayo jotelo mawuok e gwenge mondo mi oti kanyakla kod sirikal kendo singo ne jodak makanyo matelo makare e bodon bura mar Kenya Kwanza.
Kiongozi anajengwa na watu wake. Kiongozi analindwa. Na hakuna kiongozi malaika. Kiongozi yoyote ana uzuri wake na kuna upungufu kwa sababu yeye ni binadamu. Cha muhimu ni kuhakikisha kwamba mmemzingira, mmemuinua ili aweze kuleta matunda mazuri hapa nyumbani. Hapana maneno hii ambayo saa nyingine tunaona hapa Mulembe, mtu anatokea tu huko na Kiingereza na Kiswahili mingi, anataka kuchallenge mpaka mtu ambaye amefika namba 3.
When you win, you celebrate. When you lose, find out why you lost, correct, so that you move forward. You don't start blaming each other. Tunaangaliana shida ilikuwa wapi, alafu tusonge mbele. Those remarks, allow me now to read the speech from His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya. Message of...
We have also agreed with the President and Aaron Wawukweko kwamba the old railway line kutoka Malaba kupitia Webuye, Tarbo, paka Eldoret, paka Nakuru, paka Naivasha is also under plan to be upgraded to SGR. Umeona tunaleta infrastructure fund. Hiyo ndio pesa itafanya hiyo kazi. Ili tubadilishe nchi yetu. Let's not be doubting Thomas's. Let's believe in what we are doing. Rome was not built in a day, but the Romans were there to build it.
Jodak maboro e kar chung'od bura ma Halego Songa e kaunti ma Siaya onyiso fungruok magiyudo